Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change eBay business account to personal. Okay, so probably you just made a mistake and you entered your business account and you didn't pay attention. Now you start like getting some sales, and now you have a problem with like payment method, like the payment method you use. Like whenever you try to connect your eBay to Payoneer, like Payoneer asks you guys for business information and you don't have like a registered business. So what you guys need to do to change your eBay business account to personal is you want to click on my eBay in the top right, and then you want to click on summary, and then you want to click on account. Okay, and then you want to click on personal information. Now I'm going to sign in. Okay, I'm using this. Okay, all right, now just sign in. Probably will ask you guys to sign in. Now as you can see, currently I have this account. As you can see, it says here individual. So this account has no problem. Like this is just a personal account because it says here account type individual. Now if it says business, if you can see edit next to the name, which is the individual, if next to the account type, if you can see here edit, if you can see it edit, that's good. If you cannot see, that means you are not eligible to change from like business account to personal, but you can upgrade from personal to business if you want. Okay, that's not a problem. Now what you guys need to do in this case, since you just started your eBay, for example, you need to close this account. Okay, take it from me, I recommend you guys to close the account and create a personal account under the exact same information. I know guys probably have sold some items, some feedbacks, but there is no way to change it from business to personal, but you can change it from personal to business. Now what you need to do in this case, you just need to click on account, click on close accounts. Okay, close it, closing your account. As you can see, after click on close account, and then after you close it, then you need to create the exact same, using the exact same email, using the exact same everything to create a personal account, and then start from scratch, and then link your Payoneer account or bank details. If you are living in the United States, you can like connect your bank to receive your payouts. Okay, to receive your payments from sold items. Okay, if you need any help, please go to the comments and let me know exactly what your questions are. I reply to every single comment. Like I said, there is no way to change it from business to personal, only from personal to business you can change it, but the opposite is impossible. Okay, hopefully this one guys helped you. See you guys next video.